Hey man, so what a great day to shoot some video, right? I mean, we can't go outside, we can't communicate with a lot of other people face to face, but we can shoot video. So here I am, I'm in my home office, as probably you are as well. I've got a window behind me, and so I have all the lights turned off. And all I have to do, you can see I'm a little washed out, right? So I'm just gonna shut the blind a little bit until it's a little bit softer light. Good enough, right? Well, and that way, it shows a little bit better as far as how I want to shoot this video. So, note to self, turn the ringer off. Getting a phone call right now. I'll call him back in a second. But well, let's talk about this today. If you want, hit me up with a call, and I will show you a little things about what we can do to hit your first video out. I would shoot it from your house. I would say, look, here I am. I specifically dressed casual because I was going to shoot this today and show you how easy it is. And think about some of the common things that people are concerned about right now. Real estate is something where people are starting to wonder, are we going to see a crash like 2008? And you can explain to people why we are not going to see that. It's basically, think about the supply and demand. There's so few houses on the market, and even fewer now that people are pulling their listings off, and we still have a ton of pent-up demand. In addition to that, think about where the mortgage market is. It's radically erratic at the moment, but that's going to change, and when it does, interest rates are going to drop, and when they do, what a great opportunity to take advantage of it. So you want to get things prepped and primed for people when they're going to put their houses on the market this summer, and make sure all of your buyers are ready to move. There are a certain number of people who are thinking, hey, maybe it's the right time to right size this year, and you can be reaching out to them as far as why they should be considering that and what they can do to prepare for listing their home in the next month to 2 months, and why it's such a good idea. So wanted to shoot this a little bit to show you how easy it is. And hit me up. Go to the YesTodd YouTube subscription page and talk to me, and I can help you figure out some of the opportunities that are out there. This is the perfect time for you to start using video.